Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we'll see another scenario-based interview question for data engineering. Okay, so those who are watching our videos, they already know that we are continuously uploading scenario-based interview questions. So we are trying to solve it by our approach, and if you are seeing that you have another good approach and optimized approach, you also can comment on the video comment section so that I also can learn from you guys. Okay, so this will be our eighth video, number 8 video. Earlier we have already uploaded 7 videos here. Okay, this is the last scenario based interview question video, and if you want to see the playlist, this is the playlist. Okay, already we have 7 videos. Okay, so coming to this, without wasting time, let's start our video. And after completing the solution, if you are facing any kind of challenges, you can directly connect with me via LinkedIn or TopMate. You don't need to pay me anything for any kind of guidance or anything. Okay, and you also can join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel for daily updates. Okay, and you also can follow me in Instagram also. Okay, all the links has been given in the video comment section. And please go through the videos without skipping the video. Okay, if you are appearing for any kind of product based or service based interview for data engineering, these videos are very much useful for you guys, I can say. Okay, all are scenario based questions and company specified questions. The companies in their data engineering interview, which kind of scenario question they have asked, these are the videos with solution. And if you are new in data engineering, you want to learn PySpark database, you can also follow our PySpark database playlist. There we have uploaded 62 videos. You can go through that. Okay, so let's go to our database notebook without wasting any time. Okay, so what they have given a data set. Okay, name and job category. Okay, job description. So, what do we need to find out? Write a query to keep only the top two most frequent values of jobs. Okay, so here we have of jobs as it is, and replace everything else as others. Okay, so the input is like this. They have given, we need to share, we need to get the output like this. Okay, so the top two categories. Okay, the top two categories job, we need to keep it as it same, but the other categories what we have, we need to replace with other word. Okay, so first we need to find out the top two categories, then only we can play with that value. Okay, so for getting top two categories, what we need to do, so let's do that. New df equals to df dot group by, we'll use group by option. Okay, for getting the count for getting the top two categories, we need to get the count of the job, because the highest count of the job will be the highest two counts of the job will be the top two categories. Okay, so I will get it job dot count. Okay, new df dot show. I'm doing. Okay, I'm triggering it. So in new df dot show, I'm getting the count for each and every job categories. Okay, after that what we'll do, so I need to find out the top two categories. Okay, so for getting top two categories, it's already in descending order. Okay, but if it sometime it will not be, it might not be in descending order. That's why you need to use order by also for safe side. Okay, order by jobs. Okay, and ascending descending would be false.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry,
Sorry,
it would be count.
count.
Okay,
Okay,
not
not job.
jobs. Okay.
Okay.
So
So, 1
1 minute.
minute.
So it
So it
would
will
be
be
job,
job,
not
not a
job.
job,
It
it
would
will
be
be
based
based
on
on
count.
count.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
I'm
I'm
getting
getting
it
it
in
in
descending
descending
order.
order.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
I
I
can
can
limit
limit
it
it
for
for
the
the
top
top
two
two
values.
values.
Mm,
Mm,
okay,
okay,
1 minute.
1 minute,
Let
let
me
me
check
check
where
where
is
is
the
the
issue.
issue.
So there is
There
a
is
silly
silly
mistake.
mistake.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
now
now
if
if
I'll
I'll
run
run
it,
it,
I'm
I'm
getting
getting
the
the
top
top
two
two
values.
value
Mm, Based
based
on
on
our
our
job
job
category
category
count.
count.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
now
now
what
what
we'll
we'll
do,
do,
we'll
we'll
keep it
keep it
in a
in a
list
list
for
for
when
when
we'll
we'll
compare
compare
it
it
with
with
our
our
main
main
data
data
frame.
frame.
We
We
need
need
to
to
keep it
keep it
in
in
list.
list.
I
I
will
will
show
show
you
you
what
what
I
I
want
want
to
to
do.
do.
Okay.
Okay,
Don't
don't
worry,
worry,
just
just
keep it
keep it
watching.
watching.
Mm,
Mm,
so
So
now
now,
first
first
for
for
getting
getting
it
it
in a
in a
list,
list,
we
we
need
need
to
to
convert
convert
it
it
in
in
RDD.
RDD.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
dot
dot
RDD,
RDD,
then
then
uh, we
we
can
can
collect.
collect.
So
So
if
if
I will
I'll
perform
perform
this
this
like
like
this,
this,
when
when
we will
we will
do
do,
we
we
will
will
convert
convert
it to
it to
RDD,
RDD,
the
the
count
count
function
function
will
will
not
not
work.
work.
Okay.
Okay,
Now I'll print
print
it.
it.
So I'm
So I'm
getting the
getting the
data
data
row
row
wise,
wise,
but
but
I
I
need
need
the
the
whole
whole
data
data
in
in
a
a
in a
in a
list.
list.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
in
in
a
a
list
list
bucket,
bucket,
what I
what I
can
can
say.
say.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
for
for
that
that,
what
what
we'll
we will
do,
do,
we'll
we'll
use
use
flat
flat
map.
map,
It's an
an
RDD
RDD
function.
function.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
flat
flat
map,
map,
then
then
on
on
flat
flat
map
map
I'll
I
use
use
lambda.
lambda.
Okay.
Okay, okay,
X. So
so
I will
I will
pass
pass
each
each
and
and
every
every
row
row
through
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 to
my
my
lambda
lambda
function,
function,
and
and
will
will
get
get
the
the
values
values
only.
only.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
this
this
will be
will be
like
like
this.
this.
If
If
I'll
I'll
use
use
here
here
only
only
map,
map,
then
then
what
what
I
I
will
will
get?
get?
Let's
Let's
see.
see.
So
So
I'm
I'm
getting
getting
the
the
same
same
thing.
thing.
Okay.
Okay,
So that
that
it
it
will
will
not
not
work.
work.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
I'll
I'll
change it
change it
to
to
flat
flat
map.
map.
So flat
Flat
map,
map,
it is
it is
extracting
extracting
the
the
whole
whole
value
value
from
from
the
the
columns, from the
from the
columns
columns
also,
also,
and
and
only
only
the
the
key
key
each
each
and
and
every
every
rows
rows
values
values
is
is
it
it
is
is
given.
given.
Okay,
Okay,
not the
not the
keys.
keys.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
now
now
what
what
we'll
we'll
do,
do,
we'll
we'll
take
take
the,
the,
now
now
we
we
are
are
getting
getting
our
our
data.
data.
The
The
engineer
engineer
and
as
scientist,
scientist,
both are
both are
the
the
most
most
frequent
frequent
job
job
category.
category.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
now
now
in
in
our
our
main
main
data
data
set,
set,
what we
what we
have,
have,
df.
DF.
Df
DF
is
is
our
our
main
main
data
data
set.
set.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
now
now
in
in
df
DF
we
we
can
can
check
check
df
DF
dot.
dot
So here
here
final
final
df,
DF.
I'll
I'll
click
click
one
run
final
final
df
DF
variable,
variable
and
and
df
DF
dot.
dot.
Then
Then
what
what
we'll
will
check,
check, we'll check
that
that
the
the
job is
job is
exist
exist
in
in
this
this
bucket
bucket
or
or
not,
not,
and
and
based
based
on
on
that
that
we'll
we'll
create
create
one
one
new
new
column,
column,
and
and
there
there
I
I
will
will
paste
paste
the
the
jobs.
jobs.
Okay.
Okay,
The same
same
name,
name,
with the
with the
same
same
name
name
I'm
I'm
creating the
creating the
column.
column.
Then
Then
I'm
I'm
using
using
when
when
condition.
condition.
So for using
Using
when
when
condition
condition,
I
I
need
need
to
to
import
import
it
it
first
first
from
from
PySpark
PySpark
dot
dot
SQL
SQL
dot
dot
functions
functions
import
import
call
call
import
import
query.
query.
Okay.
Okay,
Then
Then
what
what
I'll
I'll
do,
do,
when
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 so
so
what we
what we
need to
need to
check,
check,
when
when
the
the
job,
job
whatever
whatever
we
we
have
have
jobs
job
in
in
the
the
row
row
basis,
basis,
it
it
is
is
existing
existing
in
in
this
this
list
list
or
or
not.
not.
Okay,
Okay,
when
when
the
the
call
call
jobs
jobs
dot
dot
is
is
in,
in,
okay,
okay,
is
is
in
in
new
new
df,
DF,
okay,
okay,
new
new
df, it is
is
existing
existing
in
in
new
new
df
DF
or
or
not.
not.
If it
If
is
it is
existing,
existing,
then
then
it
it
will
will
print
print
the
the
call
call
job,
job.
whatever
Whatever
job it
job it
is
is
in the
in the
column,
column,
it
it
will
will
print.
print.
Okay,
Okay.
otherwise,
Otherwise,
otherwise
otherwise
it
it
will
will
print
print
other.
other.
What it
It
will
will
print?
print
Other.
other.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
it will
it will
print
print
other.
other.
So
So
now
now
let's print
print
it,
it.
and
Let's
let's show
show
function
function
for
for
getting the
getting the
data.
data.
Let's
Let's
see
see
what it
what it
will
will
give.
give.
So
So
otherwise
otherwise
is
is
not
not
defined.
defined.
Let's
Let's
see,
see,
let's
let's
see,
see,
let's
let's
see.
see.
It
It
is
is
not
not.
why
Why
defined
defined
like
like
this.
this?
It should
Should
not
not
show
show
like
like
this.
this.
Let
Let
me
me
check.
check.
Okay,
Okay,
here
here
we
we
have
have
done
done
one
one
mistake. It should be job. Otherwise
otherwise
is
is
not
not
defined.
defined.
Once again, it
It
is
is
telling me
telling
it's
me
the
the
same
same
thing.
thing.
Okay,
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 okay.
okay.
Let's print it once again. Now
No,
I
I
don't
don't
know
know
what
what
is
is
the
the
issue.
issue.
What
What
is
is
the
the
issue?
issue?
I think there might be some kind of silly mistake. Okay,
Okay,
now
now
we are
we are
getting
getting
the
the
output based
based
on
on
the
the
they
they
given.
given.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
they
they
have
have
given the
given the
output
output
should be
should be
like
like
this.
this.
We are
We are
getting
getting
the output like
like
this. Okay,
okay.
I
I
think you
think
have
you have
understood the
understood the
concept.
concept. Uh,
It's a
say
little
little
bit
bit
tricky.
tricky.
Okay,
Okay.
you
You
just
just
need to
need to
think
think
that
that
how to
how to
execute
execute
your
your
logic.
logic.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So if
if you
you
like
like
our
our
video,
video,
please
please
do
do
like,
like,
share, and
share, and
subscribe
subscribe
our
our
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel.
Our
Our
YouTube
YouTube
channel is
channel is
Cognitive Coders.
CognitiveCoders.
If you
If you
think
think
we are
we are
uploading
uploading
videos
videos
very
very
useful,
useful
based
based
on the
on the
very
very
useful
useful
topics,
topic,
okay,
okay,
please
please
do
do
comments.
comment.
Okay,
Okay,
please
please
give
give
your
your
feedbacks.
feedback.
If it
If it
is
is
not
not
good,
good,
you
you
can
can
also
also
comment
comment
that
that
when
when
you
you
guys
guys
need
need
this
this
kind
kind
of
of
videos.
videos.
Okay,
Okay, what
what categories
categories
video
video
you
you
want,
want,
you
you
can
can
also
also
comment
comment
that.
that.
But
But
please
please
do
do
like,
like,
share,
share,
and
and
comment. If
comment.
you
If you
like
like
it,
it,
do
do
like
like
and
and
comment
comment
it.
it.
Okay,
Okay.
otherwise
Otherwise,
we
we
will
will
get
get
demotivated.
demotivated.
Okay,
Okay. You,
you
you
guys
guys
can
can
understand
understand
it's a
it's a
non-profitable
non-profitable
uh, work. Okay,
okay.
so
So
non-profitable
non-profitable
initiative.
initiative.
So
So
we are
we are
spending
spending
lots
lots
of
of
time
time
to
to
creating the
creating the
contents
contents
and
and
all.
all.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
please
please
do
do
like,
like,
share, and
share, and
subscribe
subscribe
our
our
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel.
And
And
if
if
you
you
think
think
that
that
you
you
need
need
any
any
other
other
types
types
of
of
video,
video,
any
any
other
other
any
any
other
other
topics
topics
video,
video,
you
you
can
can
comment
comment
on
on
the
the
video
video
comment
comment
section,
section
so
so
that
that
we
we
can
can
prepare
prepare
that
that
video
video
and
and
we'll
we'll
post
post
it
it
for
for
you
you
guys.
guys.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
thank you
thank you
for
for
watching
watching
this
this
video.
video.
uh,
Uh,
bye.